for the machine go down 3-4 times. When something got short work, and then it's the high before you so much setup.
Well, this one's supposed to be a 3,000 piece a year.
Mind you, that's the only thing you have. Right now, because everything's back to back, how you got it.
But you gotta understand, milling don't need 8 feet on every angle of their machines. And they always get 8 feet. She's got it. She's gonna be buying the YTM to replace the other one that we have. You guys bought to replace 201. Another man for
It's not bad.
yeah. Actually, we don't use it for the roughing that. I may have to stop it if it starts to transfer. I don't know if it's probably going to go to